Hey, do you know how to improve your spoken English?
Yes, I do. There are many ways to improve your spoken English skills.
What are the top 5 methods to improve spoken English?
The first method is to practice speaking with native speakers. This will help you improve your pronunciation and vocabulary.
That's a great idea. What's the second method?
The second method is to listen to English podcasts or watch English movies with subtitles. This will help you improve your listening and comprehension skills.
Interesting. What's the third method?
The third method is to read English books or articles. This will help you improve your grammar and sentence structure.
That makes sense. What's the fourth method?
The fourth method is to get admission in an English learning institute or hire an English tutor. This will help you get personalized feedback and guidance.
Great advice. What's the fifth and final method?
The fifth method is to practice speaking English every day. This will help you build confidence and fluency.
Thanks for the informative overview. Improving spoken English skills is essential in today's globalized world.
Definitely. It opens up many opportunities and helps in personal and professional growth.